Okay, so we have our new format. Let me show you. This is our new format that's a little more detailed. I was able to add more detail to our current list. This way, I believe it's going to help you guys trade better. It's going to help me also because then I don't have to keep checking stuff. I don't have to keep going around and checking data points because I use a set of data points, and then those are calculated together, and they give you what's going on. And I check these against, like, this is how it's done. It goes. Let me see if I can move. Now you see this says, I'm gonna move this over to the other screen. I'll give you an example, like odd-CAD. We're on your GBP. All right. The data point of measurement that I use to check to see if it's accurate or not. When I talk about accuracy, this is what I'm talking about. Make sure you know when I say the word accuracy, you know what I mean? I don't want it to be like, it means I can't lose a trade. No, it's not what this is. What I'm saying as far as it's, okay, listen, because we're dealing with things that are very technical, and it's easy to slice this wrong, okay? See, it says April 14th. Now, this is based on New York. Your computer could say something different because you're in a different time zone, all right? I'm in UTC -4 time zone down there. You see, it says time zone. Look at the time zone, right? I'm here, okay? So that's what this is. All this data is based on that point. All right, we're going Eastern Standard, New York, okay, USA, because you can move it and then you'll be like, oh, it's not, you're off and wrong, and then all this stuff, okay? Just listen. From this point, see how it switched to April 14th, 000? That point, let me pick a data point. I guess make an arrow. From this point to, oops, she skipped over that line to saying 13. To this point, it's my mouse. Move. From this point, we're saying, it says for Euro GBP, what does it say? Weaker, right? It's a strong sell, but it's a strong sell, right? Strong sell, but it's getting weaker. Weaker means what? This shit right here. Now, based on that day, as far as accuracy, it should be, you have the sell, right? Means this. It should go anywhere lower than that point. Could be right here, still sell. Anywhere lower, billion, all the way to infinity, right? Anywhere underneath that line, that open, is lower, is a sell, right? But look at the sell. What happened to the sell right now? Weaker. So what that means is the drop from the day before may not be as significant. See, this is why it's more accurate. And you know how to use this, then, it makes your life, it's just easier to win, okay? All I'm doing is trying to make this easier to win. Like the day before was strong sell.
Are you a trader? Then you'll love Connect One Forex Signals, a leading signal service dedicated to providing the best trading entries and exits for traders. We have the highest reward to risk ratio in the industry, and our pips gain is as high as 1,200 pips in one trade. You don't need to do anything, just set it and forget it. We'll do all the heavy lifting. We also teach how to trade successfully using what we call the RSAI Blueprint strategy. Our strategy is based on harmonics, but we also use them in other ways besides just buying and selling to target. Receive signals, learn new techniques and innovative trading systems to bring you to a new level of training and profitability with Connect One Forex Signals. Sign up for a free trial at connect-1-forex-signals.multiscreensite.com or join our Telegram group at t.me/KOFXS group for group chat.
Right? So this getting weaker, if it landed where the point it is now, it's not the same angle. See, it's slightly different. It's slightly different. So you expect if this is same steady, it should be this. If it's weaker, it should be anywhere just slightly up. It would almost look straight, but it's not. Anywhere up all the way up to this point, but not here, up here. Okay, shouldn't happen. But this is how you are going to know based on these new data points that I'm giving you, where you can interpret this correctly in your brain. All right, don't go in and then check it and say, oh, it's just weaker, but it's gone up. Dude, I'll be like, I'm just gonna smack you, bro. This is, yes, it's, oh my gosh. So this is, all right, if you came in and you said, oh, you check it and it says weaker, but it went up. No, that's from your point of view, okay? Remember, New York time, boom, change your thing to UTC4 or something, -4, boom. This should finish in this area so that you know. Make sure you're doing the proper conversion so that you're not being, misleading yourself on the data, all right? This is a technical career. You have to learn to be technical in your analysis, in your understanding. You have to use your brain to the point where it becomes technical of the data points. This is what it takes to be a trader and analyst. Really, I'm more of an analyst than a trader. I'm not a great trader. I keep telling you guys that over and over again. I just sound like a broken record. Not a great trader. Don't worry about my trades. Look at the data point that I'm giving you. I'm giving you these data points so that you can make decisions based on your perspective. When you saw the video, when you woke up in the morning, when you looked at your screen, okay? No one stays awake 24 hours a day, okay? Data points. Here's one, like GBP cat. GBP had dropped, was down, and then got stronger because I said, it says GBP cat stronger, getting stronger, right? Let's check it. Had a big drop. So you know if it has a big drop, but you still want to what? You still want to buy. It's a strong sell. So the strong sell happened, right? Did it not? Strong sell happened. But what happens after the U.S. market? And after the afternoon or half the day? Half the day, you should expect a reversal. Says that it's getting, the stronger sell. Sorry about that. Stronger sell. So this should finish down for the day. Where's my... So it came in here, did this, fell way down here, and if you're not supposed to be, if you're out of it and then you see it rebound, you should expect it to what? Go up. It's already higher right now. So this is a straight line. This, by the time this gets here, wait a minute, here, right there, I'm trying to let go of the mouse. It should be above this line. It should finish above this line. It's already above the line now, which is great. So if you say it says stronger and it's like one of these, then you should expect a rebound. Okay? That's how you trade it. That's how you're going to use it. If not, you can always ask questions and I'll tell you. But it doesn't mean you shouldn't pay attention to the videos. But also, okay, remember, I'm trying to eat my lunch. Remember, use the line chart to do this. Don't sit there and then use a candlestick and saying, well, it's up to me. All right, use your line chart to see what the entry is. These candles can be crazy and then throw you off and, you're not paying attention. But I'm going by the line chart for the data, okay? All right, I think that's it. You guys got it, right? You understand sentiment and the trend. or I was going to call it change or change in trend. It's really kind of a change. Oh, and this change is based on the day to day. It's based on what happened the previous day on the data points that I'm using. It's based on the previous day. All right. If the previous day is indicating that, means that tomorrow is going to get weaker or something like that. It should reflect. I should be able to catch that on the data. And these are revised every 12 to 24 hours. Sometimes I miss it because I have to sleep. So they're revised. I try to do them every 12 hours, but I have to sleep. I'm gonna miss it. It is what it is. So, and that's that. That's what I can do for you.